Downhill battle. Semi-final 3. We are all excited to see who will advance to the final round. Tom Hatter and Ben o'clock watching what will happen on the track. Let's go. Com Cruise, driving in Cruise Bruiser. Matt Medea, driving in Mazda RX-7. Sir Jacob driving in Volkswagen Käfer Racer. Nando Loras, driving in McLaren P1. Race 1. The best driver in points, advance on to the final round. Com Cruise and Sir Jacob on the front row. Here we go. Com Cruise takes the win, followed by Matt Medea, Sir Jacob, and Nando Loras. After party guys? Tom Bernard like DJ? All drivers are okay off course. Let's take a look at the replay. Com Cruise in leads. Matt Medea overtook Sir Jacobs and Nando Loras. He finished on second place. Race 2. Matt Medea and Com Cruise on the front row. Here we go. Com Cruise takes the win in the race 2, followed by Nando Loras, Matt Medea, and Sir Jacob. In the scoreboard, Com Cruise in the leads. Matt Medea on the second with 5 points. Nando Loras with 4. Sir Jacob fourth with 3. Keep eyes on Nando Loras' orange McLaren. Third in the turn 1 and 2. But at the finish line on second place. Medea blocked him, but Nando wanted the win more and pass him before the finish line. Race 3, Nando Loras on the front right. Matt Medea on the front left. Here we go. Oh my goodness, what a race. Matt Medea takes the win, followed by Com Cruise, Nando Loras, Sir Jacob. Com Cruise in the leads with 13 points. Matt Medea on the second with 10. Third Nando Loras with 6. Fourth Sir Jacobs with 4. The unbelievable Com Cruise. Nando Loras pass him in the turn 1. But before turn 2, Com Cruise showed him who racing today. Oh man. This is the final round of the semi-final 3. Com Cruise, Matt Medea on the back row. Here we go. Nando Loras takes the win, followed by Sir Jacob and nobody. What happened to the others who are fighting for victory? In the turn 1 fighting side by side, but why faster Com Cruise blocked Medea? Who actually won? And advancing to the finals. Com Cruise with 13 points and DNF is third finalist of Downhill Battle 2022 series. That was a masterpiece of the racing strategy. Racing chess by Com Cruise. I'm Matthew O'Brien, and this is Race of Cars, DCR Downhill Battle.